All right, so I'm going to give you, a few of my tips and recommendations, how to spray a door. This is actually how to spray a door specifically laying down, because it's a little bit different spraying a door laying down versus, standing up. This is the man door going out of a garage. It's very critical that you prep it properly, dust it properly, mask it properly. I've already painted the opposite side of this door, the interior color. It's the color and the paint of the inside of the garage. So now we're working on the exterior side, and because it's a smooth door, it's a new house, we want to get this side up perfect. We want it to look, super smooth. We don't want to risk any runs, spits, etc. So the way we mask it is we drop 9-inch plastic with inch tape and tack it down with the inch tape just like this. You want your paper, tacked down. If it flips it up on the door, you're gonna have to immediately wipe that door off, get that paint off, let it dry, and reshoot it and stuff. I say this because it's happened to me multiple times, paper flipping up, whether it be outside, because the wind flipped it up, or whether the pressure from the gun flipped it up. It's happened to me multiple times. Bugs have landed on doors like this multiple times. Beetles walked across it. The cotton from cottonwood trees have landed on it and stuff. So we're inside of a protected area, so I don't have, or less likely to have any of those elements, once I spray this door. Now, typically when I'm spraying doors, I'm using fine finish tips. On this door, I'm using a TriTech 510. So I'll either use a 510 or 310. Those are the two tips I use. A 510 is just gonna make you be able to paint it in less passes faster. Less passes means less likelihood of spits or things going wrong. So you want to get your gun set up. I like to use extensions a lot of the time because I can reach, but if I can't reach all the way across safely, then I'll do 3/4 of the door, walk to the other side and shoot the door. The longer the extension, the larger the spit you're gonna get and more spits. So I'm not using an extension at all right now, but your gun, even though there's no extension, you could get a spit. So I'm gonna start spraying off the door, come all the way off the door on the opposite end, and do your passes off the door. Never start on the door, never stop on the door. When I'm done, I don't release the trigger right here either, because you can get a spit there also. On this door, the raised sides right here, lowered panel right here. So keep conscious and aware. I don't want to spray against that because I won't get it covered. We dusted it off with a duster brush, then wiped it off with a microfiber cloth. If you have to do any sanding, you want to do your sanding of the door. But this is a primed PVC door. Bottoms and tops don't need to be painted on this style of door. You'll know because the door will have a warning thing right here saying, in order for, the warranty to be in place and not voided, you have to coat the top and bottom of the door. That's not the case with this door. So you can see I just stuffed paper down inside there. So big enough, it'll actually stick to, because we put tape on the opposite side of the door, so no paint could go through the holes either and get overspray. So now the question might be, I think somebody said something, one of my social media accounts the other day, that overspray is gonna kick down and get on the other side of the door with that paper. I can tell you from my experience, never once in my career have I had paint curl around that paper and come up, that 9-inch paper, and come up. Gravity wants to take it down and it takes it down. Pump set at 2200 PSI. I'm always gonna take a few test sprays and begin spraying. You should strain your paints. If you don't strain your paints, you can get spits, clogs, and stuff that can cause issues with spraying the door. This is gonna take multiple passes, and spits are just part of the game when it comes to airless spraying, and you just hope it doesn't spit, on the door when you're spraying. The front door, it actually spit on the first pass, but it ended up leveling out. So let's see how it goes. Looks like it's spraying out pretty good.